The electrocoating process is vital. As the RAV shells are submerged, an electric current ensures a precise
durable. The assembly hall witnesses the body-to-chassis marriage. Here, precision engineering is paramount as
Precision is key. As the automated lift secures the fuel system, every fastener on the stainless steel brake lines is checked to specification. The technician meticulously routes the wiring harness, ensuring every connection snaps precisely into place. Once the assembly line is complete, the vehicle moves to the calibration bay, where technicians upload the latest ECU software before the final quality checks. After passing thousands of checkpoints, the RAV4 receives its final quality sign-off and is cleared for outbound logistics. The just-in-time system relies on AGVs delivering specific kits to the assembly line precisely when needed.
Apply the torque slowly until you hear the click. Ensure the alignment aid is flush with the panel.
Frequency van lijns tussen de roephaler en de breken. as you can see, have stabilized the takt time significantly. Defect rates are down 10%.
The line is clear. We're holding takt time. Watch the rear panel alignment.
Copy that. I'll monitor the welds.
In this ultra-realistic symphony of steel and precision, the synchronized harmony of hundreds of workers and
Okay, bring it down slow. Alignment confirmed. We are green. Clear. Takt time is holding steady at 62 seconds.
Yes, the welding line is performing above target this quarter.
The before and after metrics on the welding points show a 40% improvement in consistency.
Yes, the seam alignment here is perfect now.
Bay 4 just connected.
Good, we're at 90% readiness for the next shift.
Chain looks good. Wear indicators are still within tolerance.
Here in the electrical bay, advanced diagnostics verify the battery's performance before the vehicle moves to the next stage.
Precision engineering extends even to the paperwork. With the export status cleared, the workflow continues without delay.
The culminations of precision supplier certification confirmed. Ready for dimensional check.
All points registering within tolerance.
Holding at 1 micron, almost there.
And we have 0 deviation. Calibration confirmed.
Rerouting the KUKA arms now. Check collision zone 4.
Looks clear. Cycle time reduced by 0.8 seconds.
Approved for deployment.
The orange peel effect is localized here, near the dust inclusion.
Logging as a robotic spray anomaly, line 3.
As you can see, the compressed air optimization is already showing results.
Yes, that's a significant drop in consumption per vehicle.
All emissions data is well within regulatory limits.
Confirmed. The water treatment readings are stable. Logging approval now.
Our global efficiency is up 12% this quarter.
The numbers align perfectly with the output downstairs. We've hit the benchmark.
The strain levels are down significantly. This setup is officially approved for the shift.
The stamping throughput is perfectly aligned with the body shop utilization.
Yes, the adjustments stabilize the flow buffer immediately.
Attention, attention. This is a drill activation in Assembly Zone 4. Response team deploy immediately.
Latency is stable, no drops in the last hour.
The production data flow looks robust. We are clear for the next shift.
Let's cross-reference the failed authentications here.
See that data spike? Running the anomaly check now. Status clear.
Some high trunk here. Gần cái stack top of that. The nurture is dying inside.
As you can see, the synchronization of the welding robots ensures precision on every chassis.
And the uptime targets have been met.
Exceeded, in fact.
If we adjust the takt time here, we can increase the RAV4 output by 10%.
Adjusting the schedule now.
This trend line shows a spike in panel defects right here. We've implemented the new jig procedure.
Understood. We will monitor that closely.
Real-time data correlation is crucial. Here, the system flags a potential issue, which the engineer quickly verifies as a normal variation.
The third week in July aligns with the low production forecast.
Yes, the press maintenance window is clear. Go ahead and confirm. The corrective actions on the welding points have drastically reduced the defect rate this quarter.
That aligns with the throughput increase we've seen.
Excellent work. Let's maintain this momentum.
As you can see in the 2025 growth strategy, demand is projected to increase sharply. Our long-term capacity...
The recent adjustments to the logistics seem to have stabilized the delivery accuracy.
Yes, the green trend line confirms we met the Q3 target.
When a critical tool nears its life expectancy, like this one at 50 cycles, the system flags it immediately to the analyst.
The cycle time at Station 3 is stable.
Confirmed. Talk time is consistent across the line.
This Polka yoke fixture ensures the wiring harness can only be inserted in the correct orientation, as you can see here.
Wo इसे पंप कर से डीप वाने की सवाल की तेरे संगीत में फरुची Sabing ka jubuti change ka sige wane gelis per desapti.
Readings are within safe thresholds. The brake schedule remains unchanged.
Look at the Cyan route here. That bypasses the congested area entirely.
Confirmed. The timeline adjusts favorably, saving the plan now.
We need confirmation on the rail transport for lane assignments 4 through 7.
Route confirmed. Loading sequence initiated.
Final quality inspection complete. This vehicle is cleared for release.
Good morning. We have the paperwork for the RAV4 shipment. Everything is verified. You are clear to proceed.